It's about 4:30. Update. I'm out here plowing. Thanks to my amazing neighbor Mike, helping me plow. Thank you, Mike. And yeah, it's pretty bad still. Still coming down. Not as hard, but it's coming down. And people are out shoveling. The big blizzard, nor'easter of 2021. Gotta love it. I'd say we it's a lot of drifts, but I'd say it's a good 14, 15 inches, over a foot definitely. Another snow update from New York signing off. Thank you guys for checking out my channel and my shorts. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. Thanks guys for checking out.